Salary slip. This is very important document for everyone. It's basically contain your net salary and your tax contribution. When I do conversations with my friends about the salary slip, 80% of the peoples don't know about the salary slip and what is the tax contributions and everything. So that only in this video we're going to see how to download your salary slip from the e-Citizen website. Then how to understand about your tax contribution and health insurance. I just logged in to the e-Citizen e-Građani website. Change from Hrvatska to English. I just click my profile. I already add a tax website, that is Porezna. You see here, this is the tax web page. For that you need to go find service, just click and show all. It shows all the website shortcut. You have to select Porezna, that is a tax web page, and here it is. Just click and it will redirect you to the tax page. You need to just give your login credentials like M token something. Just to log in, give your M token. That's it. It's logged in. We are in the tax website. So now I am going to show you how to download your salary slip. For that you need to go my JOPPD. Just click. It has so many menus. First I am going to select the date, so I am going to select from January 1st to till this date. Just show the salary slips during the period of the date. So you may select whatever date you want. So I just give from January 1st to till this date. So till this date I have two salary slips for January and February. I am going to click just only 1 month. So after you click that month, you have two documents. One is completely full of the tax contribution to the state, and another one is it shows all your gross salary, net salary, tax contributions, health insurance and everything. So both are belongs to the same month. Top left corner, side A is belongs to tax contribution, page B is belongs to your salary slip. So you can download it as a PDF. This is side A document. It says about your tax contributions to the Croatian government, and the first one is income tax, which is 8 to 10%. It's between 8 to 10% from your gross salary. And second one is your pension contribution. It is 15% to the state government. And third one is your pension contribution to, it's directly goes to your personal account. It's a 5%. So totally you contribute 20% from your gross salary to the Croatian government. And the last one is your health insurance. It's about 16.5% from your gross salary. That's it. And this document says about your gross salary, net salary, your tax contribution and everything. This is the salary slip. This is the page B document. Side A document is detailedly tell about your tax contribution, and page B document is your salary slip. This is an overview of your complete tax detail. So gross salary is your 100%. From that gross salary you pay pension as 20%. They split pension 1 pillar, pension 2 pillar. So pension 1 pillar 15% is directly going to the Croatian government account. Pension 2 pillar 5% is directly going to your personal account. That means they save on your name in the tax department. So after income tax, it's around 8 to 10% belongs to your salary, and your net salary is around 73 to 75% from your gross salary. That's it. So you contribute 20% as a pension, 10% as a income tax, and 75% you get as a net salary. Health insurance is completely different. It's not add with your gross salary. The employer must pay 16.5% from your gross salary. So totally employer must pay your 100% gross salary plus 16.5% health insurance. That's it. I hope this information is really a mandatory one for everyone. And I want to say another thing also. The taxes differ from one area to another area. So I belongs to Zagreb. I pay this much of percentage only. If you have some questions, please comment me. I am happy to answer you. See you in next video.